where mechanical art meets transparent beauty. This skeletonized movement centers its offset hours and minutes at 12 o'clock. Each gears mesh a rhythm of time. As the rotor winds, the mainspring tensions, the balance wheel beats at 28,800 vibrations per hour. Each click of the escape wheel and lever a breath of precision. Where metal's chill meets the warmth of handcrafting. Tweezers place, balance beats. When the movement's heart first pulses, time comes alive. Watch complete through the sapphire case back. The movement breathes with your pulse. This is the soul of mechanical time.